Y'all doing YouTube? What it look like? Welcome back to my channel. This week's vlog I'm starting on Wednesday, March 3rd. I just got back in from taking Prince out and got him a big bag of dog food this time because he goes through this like crazy kinda. I just get tired of buying the little bags and then having to keep going back. So I got the big bag. I'm gonna put most of it in this. I've been using this I think from Walmart or somewhere, and I've had this since he was born, so I just put stuff in there. And I have this wig to review. I'm probably going to do that when I go to my best friend's house, Nikki. I'm going down there for the remainder of this weekend to hang out with her. And what are they doing? Anyways, let me stop being nosy. I'm going down there to hang out with her. We plan on going to Memphis and everything. Plan on going to IKEA also for the first time. I've never been there, and I don't think she's ever been there, so that's really exciting. I have everything that I want that I know of from IKEA already in my IKEA cart. So the little things that's not like kind of big furniture, I am going to try to buy if they have it. Like I said, we're going to be going to the one in Memphis. That's the closest one to us. So yeah, really excited about that. I'm going to call Planet Fitness and see about their membership because we want to go to the gym. And on campus isn't allowing visitors since I am still a student there. But I'm not enrolled in classes. They not letting me, you know, go to the gym. So F them. But I'm going to see how much it costs for Planet Fitness, you know, I guess like pass or whatever, visitor pass. And if not, then I'll just upgrade my membership and then downgrade it because I don't really need the black card that much. So yeah, I'm about to clean up. My house is kind of a mess. Oh, got a new air fryer. I forgot to record that, but definitely love that. I'm gonna have to try to figure out how long to cook things. I kept the box because it still has a few things on here to tell me what to do. I took a picture, but I'm keeping the box for now just in case. And I've cooked ribs in it, bacon, I'm gonna do chicken, and yeah, I gotta clean up just some random stuff, but I'm gonna get off of here rambling, and then I'll see y'all probably tomorrow when I actually clean up, pack to go to Jonesboro, Memphis, and then yeah, see what we do then.
You know what it is. We're ready to show out, okay?
She wonder why she be on YouTube looking stupid.
Okay, yeah, let me stop.
So, I think the last
Subscribe to my channel, Nikki Denise.
Actually, I think Prince licked this a little bit. It's badass. I think I left y'all when I was at home. Told y'all I was coming down here to spend a week with my best friend.
We going to Memphis.
And I said we're going to Memphis. So
I've never been to IKEA, so we're going to IKEA.
And she trying to take me to Sonic. We gotta go to Sephora, Ulta. The same BS that we was on last time. But
okay, so
I'm not spending no money today.
Y'all like Little Caesars? Girl, go spend some money. Lying.
Anyways, I'm excited to go to IKEA. I plan to not spend over $150.
You ain't getting nothing.
I have a few things in my cart.
We going to Miami in 3 weeks. She ain't getting nothing.
I hope that they have what I need. So she cleaned up for me. I ain't gonna show her place because she hate. Don't show where I live.
You can show my place. I cleaned up.
Don't show where I live.
No shoes in the bedroom because I sleep with my face on the sheets. Period. Hold on, let me try.
All right.
Let me show y'all a little tour, okay? This is my little room. You know, it's about a 4x4. No, you know, I got me a little bed right here and some pillows. Still got my Christmas tree. Turn the light out so they can see my Christmas tree. Jesus. Boom.
It's March.
So, and I got me a little vanity over here. You know, I'm missing a bulb because I thought it only took 6.
And she put this on the wrong way.
What?
With the brown.
Oh. See, they didn't even know that. Anyways, your girl been wanting a vanity for a long time. Akeira had a vanity for like 3 years.
First off, y'all see how she doing a room tour, but she won't do this for her channel. But
Hurry up, I ain't trying to get I don't like the lights still on in the car though. You gotta stop playing.
we had Chili's. Can't even get my purse on me.
I'm getting hungry. Y'all trying to chill.
They not even that packed. Or did they gotta separate a lot?
Yeah, because of COVID. Hi, we just got a text. Why is my light still on? Hold on, come back over.
It's only one.
Yeah.
Literally. We switched because look. Sit in there.
I think I'm gonna get the mom cake.
I don't know
That skillet cookie, it just wasn't hitting for me the last time they brought this.
Is the 2 for 20 over here?
Yeah, it's 2 for $25 now.
Oh yeah.
They done ran up the tab on it.
They still got steak though, right? Yeah.
Yeah, they do.
Okay. Get my classic. Let me find me a drink, yeah, because I know what I want.
I'm thinking I'm gonna do this one here.
Tropical Sunrise.
Yeah. It looks
Blackberry. I don't even see one I like. Ooh. Can't do that Patron margarita.
No, that's what you need to do. You need to get lit.
I don't really see one.
You know what's crazy?
Oh, it got strawberry mango.
Destiny gonna get the onion thing. You know, the appetizer. It say the blossom petal, the onion. The onions is like fried or whatever. That's what I'm saying. She get the white people stuff. Cause she's fine.
Not the white.
She's Caucasian.
Y'all so cute.
Thank you. We know what we want to eat because I'm starving.
Go ahead.
We want the 2 for $25.
Okay.
And for the appetizer, we're gonna get the half order Texas cheese fries.
Jalapeno and green onion?
Yes, please.
Yep.
You can put it on the side.
Okay.
And I wanna get the
Come on, miss, I know what I want.
Okay, I wanna get the Cajun chicken pasta and I wanna add shrimp.
Do you want green onions and tomatoes?
No tomatoes, but I'll take the green onions.
Alrighty.
Margarita grill.
I'm so hungry, I want everything.
Yes, I want the 6-ounce classic.
Okay, hot cooked.
Well done.
Alright.
Not burnt, but well done.
Okay.
No hockey puck.
And I want
Loaded
a side, yes, loaded mashed potatoes, no green onions, and then I want fries.
Alrighty. Cookie or cheesecake?
Cookie. Dessert.
Oh my goodness.
That broccoli's so
Let
good.
me taste some wing
You're
first.
gonna like it.
Cheers.
Right. I'm taking this.
Might mess up my stomach.
I'm taking this skillet. Y'all wanna bite? Here you go. Thank. Here, y'all can have one. That camera is bomb.
It better be for almost a band.
Girl, they would have kept it. I would have been talking about, can I get a plate and pan for 3 years? all my food at once. Like at once. They wrong for these little dehydrated shrimp.
Main meal.
Period. Let me get the first bite in there. Hold up. You can't put all your meat.
You ain't took a bite yet?
Nope, can't put all your meat in one bite. That thing's strong. It burned me. 8 out of 10. Lady looks to me.
They kind of still look cute. They do.
I can't wait till we go to Disney World. I did, bitch. Need that.
So, for y'all who don't know, Nikki is a thief.
We can't go back there for a little while.
She is a thief. She likes to steal the restaurant stuff.
Hey, now.
This got good night, bitch.
Right.
She likes to steal the restaurant's items.
I'm just trying to cook the stuff at home. That's all I'm trying to do.
From Chili's, she just stole the cheese fries little cast iron skillet.
With the wooden part.
Not only did she take that,
don't do me like that.
she took the motherfucking wooden part.
Did I get the fork?
with the food still in it.
I meant to take that out. But no, literally, we know that girl is coming. I took a to-go box and I had put it where the skillet was supposed to be at so it wouldn't be obvious while I'm trying to run out the door.
I'm about to pee on myself.
And she's going to be like, what the fuck? Like, did that shit?
She's a white girl. That's why she said it like that.
No, she literally.
Oh my God.
I know she's going to be like, what?
They gonna take that out that tip we left.
Right? Oh man. She better act like she didn't get one. I didn't leave it on the thing.
Oh my goodness.
We leave cash chips around here. I ain't about to be charging my card. Listen, honey, that is hilarious. I've been waiting to get one of them for a while, y'all. They took the handle off so I can fit it in the to-go box now. How am I get that out the oven? I'm surprised you ain't peed on yourself.
Oh my gosh. You almost back to camping.
I'ma bake me something good. Them skillets is like $15 at TJ Maxx.
Yeah. Online too.
I can make some cornbread.
Not the cornbread.
Honey. They got the new, what was that? They got the new cornbread. It say honey in it. I'm trying to figure out how to make grits. You know how to make grits?
I saw you tweet that. No, you know, damn grits.
I got me some from Waffle House. Then I ordered some from Cracker Barrel. They was disgusting.
Cracker Barrel.
Ugh.
Crackers.
Now tell me that Cracker Barrel. Crackers. Okay, so me and Andrew was talking about that. He said he don't know why I like it so much. And I'm like, it really does give you niggas are not welcome. When you walk in, it literally seems like that because it's like crackers. Literally look like an old barrel. Like
we go to Waffle House.
I hate Waffle House though.
We go to Waffle House.
I take IHOP.
I don't like IHOP.
I like the French toast.
They bacon be too.
She ain't told y'all she only had French toast once and it was in Miami.
I made French toast at home actually.
Make sure my skin don't fall over. I've got to take the fries out.
Oh,
you know when you're trying to steal something, you ain't thinking straight.
I'm with a thief.
Hey, now stop doing me like that. I don't steal things, you know, like at the stove.
She steals. Nikki done just got all this stuff. Yeah, I ain't gonna eat. We got it at the same time.
Okay, I don't want extra.
She made. We're at Chick-fil-A, obviously, on campus.
Good morning, it's here AJB gang.
Family. We're not a gang over here.
Gang. What? Family.
No, I want to talk about you.
Oh. Thank you. And can we get another large cup? No. AJB. Hospitality.
I am dead. Try. Thank you. they pay.
And mine be trying to hold me like I'm broke. It be trying to decline. See, it be trying to get me. Did it work? See what I'm talking about?
It popped up red. Try again.
Oh, Lord. See what I'm talking about?
Oh my goodness.
It sends a check when it works.
And it said try again.
You could.
Now I gotta give me a Sprite.
Oh, look. Yeah.
I'm dead. Y'all look who it is. Ah, you saw me.
You know what it is. So we in here. Let's do the TikTok. I was about to get on your ass. Nah, I'm kidding.
She forgot what?
He said he about to fire me up. You was about to fire me up.
What did he say?
He told us 6 feet because I gave her a hug.
Look at we fit.
And my name is.
Got that large.
Girl,
Income.
this shit be flat. What you finna get? Chick-fil-A? Well, we just took everything, so y'all. I said y'all
She
gotta.
ain't give me no damn thing. Or did she?
Probably did. Check your bag.
I don't know, but I'm about to sit there. Well, you may can't see, but we're at this brow place she wanted to come to get her freaking eyebrows done. She is in there, in the chair. Let's see if it'll focus. There we go. That's her. Couldn't wait before we went to Memphis. That's what I said in the video. I said, this is my first time. I don't know if Nikki's ever been.
Oh. No, but I'm not getting anything.
What?
I'm not getting nothing.
I am. I got everything.
I may get some, I ain't gonna lie.
I got everything in my card I need. The small
Hold
stuff.
on,
I can't get
excuse me,
no
sir.
furniture.
I need the back end. You old, you got time to wait.
Girl.
No, I'm kidding. They got less time to wait, actually. Oh, it's a basket right here?
She bucked her eyes. I gotta tie my shoe.
Okay.
Talk to the people.
What's the deal? I got vlog on my phone. I don't got no camera. Well, I have a GoPro, and I actually do have a camera, but I don't know how to work it, and it don't record for longer than 13 minutes. So
why it's cold in Memphis like this?
It's cold. It was cold in Jonesboro.
We're going into IKEA. Period. You don't, girl, I watch too many IKEA videos. You don't need no card.
We very busy, so make sure you don't like cleaning off.
I forgot they got a food court. Ooh.
It smell like food. Ooh,
They got a food court. She came in with her mask on. I think I got that part.
Tell me I didn't have my mask on.
And we really are.
And I'm really looking. I don't want the mask.
Oh my God.
I got a pillow.
So I have all the stuff that I want in my wish list.
I'm finna steal her stuff, you guys.
And I'm gonna buy.
Oh, I don't like that one. But this room, I like how they give you like the whole thing together.
They go to plants I want.
You want them?
It's a 3-pack of like mini plants.
They're only $5.
Oh, that's fine, yeah. I gotta get to the plants, because this is what I'm getting for my patio.
They probably don't want us to steal from the room.
No, you can't take nothing from the room, girl.
No.
They got it all in the bag. The board, if you saw it, say showrooms. So you go through the showrooms and then get to everything.
Oh, okay.
This just gives you an idea how to do your, you know, your house. And you're supposed to like take a picture or add it to your cart so you know what to get when you go back there.
Okay, well let me download the app.
I got this, girl. I've been looking at IKEA. I've been looking at people go shopping at IKEA and IKEA hacks. So I know this.
Well, I don't know nothing about
I know this.
Where's my app store?
Super cute.
Look at this kitchen.
Oh,
Okay,
this
look.
can be Prince's little new bed.
Look, this is what I've been. Yeah, I'm gonna buy that for him.
What?
Don't pretend like I don't buy my guys
No, I'm
stuff.
saying I wasn't expecting that.
Or if we find one that's cuter, I'm gonna get it.
That's cute. What's the name of that?
He loves his beds.
Oh yes. And plus, you know this mirror, $130. I want it.
I'm not gonna spend all
This
the
is
money.
the dresser that I have in my cart to get for my new place.
Well, you probably
to
can
put my
fit
TV
it because it don't
on.
come like that.
Yeah, it's in a box.
Yeah, you can fit that in the trunk.
But I'm not buying this now till I move.
I really
But I'm gonna have to come back and
I
get my
really
furniture.
like this.
They right here. They're only $4.
Yeah, I'm gonna have to get that.
I'm getting it for my bras and stuff. Right there.
This?
Yeah.
Oh no, I don't want white.
They got that. I think those are white too.
I want gray, just like that we just saw. And I need to make sure I get them things
Is that them? There they go.
for the inside my vanity.
That's not gray. That is brown.
This is gray. Are you?
This is brown that's in the drawer. This is
I
gray.
like that better.
Stupid. Always trying to talk shit like she knows so. Y'all, not IKEA with the whole market.
Right.
Let me go to IKEA real quick and get some groceries. Who says that? $5? I'm about to buy these off of Amazon. Amazon got one. Not one, they got a pack.
Them cinnamon rolls up at the place with that food. Fine, they look so good.
Where are the packs of those things? It did the wine. It did the bubbly apple. Look, 99 cents. Look how cute they are. People used to go grocery shopping.
Yeah, because I mean, they started to try to charge us down.
So I'm buying this. I think I need one or two. I'm about two. You can never be too sure. It's IKEA. I'm about to go to the marketplace while you eat. I wish they all were the same. Do I need any of this? Do I need any of this? This cute. This is for the bathroom. What's that?
$6.99 for 3-pack.
What you need it for? Ooh, 99 cents.
Oh no, what you need it for?
99 cents, everybody need it. I ain't gonna get it though. Oh, is this what you put in there? How much are these? Yeah, $5. That's the thing. What I got. Ooh, how much are these?
Oh, the mixing bowl.
$1.99?
Really?
No, that's a chopping board. How much are these?
No, I know that's good. Don't say $3.
Serving bowl, $5. Look, stop leaving stuff now.
$3.49. I'm getting that.
Like, boo, honey. I didn't know they had this out here.
Me either, because at first I'm like, I'm not feeling free.
Oh yeah, outside. Oh, this the ones you can pull up though, like in New Orleans. Oh, we downtown. We downtown too. We are It's what?
The well vodka.
What is it?
She said 2 for 1 on the well vodka. We don't drink enough.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, so you should
Like
have
the cheaper stuff, like not as good, but I mean more bang for your buck. It's up to you. We got better stuff too. Better
Yeah, I'd
tasting
rather
stuff.
have better stuff.
Tito's okay?
Huh?
Tito's okay? That's what I drink.
I don't know what that is.
Yeah, definitely. I'd recommend. Our menu won't tell it. It won't tell like the specific vodkas and stuff we have, but we have most everything. It's a full bar. Whatever you normally drink, or if you don't drink often,
I don't normally drink.
I'll pick one for you.
Are you looking for something?
No, I want food. Where's the? I want.
And menus are on the phone.
Oh, well that's why we didn't get a menu.
Menu, my bad. You don't care what type of vodka? It's like middle of
Can
the
I
line.
get a menu first? I'm really just hungry.
Just let me know whenever y'all ready. You want some Sprite? You want some water?
Yes. I don't even look at this catfish basket. Well, I don't even look at this. We get the catfish basket.
You don't think I'm trying to get me drunk? I'm trying to get me drunk already. Like, can I get some food?
Sounds like no.
Just let me know whenever y'all are ready.
Okay,
I'll be
thank
walking
you.
by and stuff. No problem.
Oh, and we know what we want to eat.
Nice. What can I get for you?
You want the same thing?
I'm a little.
I want the catfish basket, and that comes with fries, right? Okay.
Yeah, I want the catfish basket as well.
Gotcha. Let me know if you think of anything for your
Okay, thank you.
He was gonna bring it or not.
I don't give 2 shits. Somebody better get it. And I need some salt. Thank you.
You welcome.
Tabasco, no man, I'm in Louisiana. I ain't used that the last time.
Yeah, Tabasco hot.
I just don't like the way it tastes.
We're at Wolf Chase Mall. If you from Memphis, I know I got some Memphis subscribers. If you from Memphis and you know what I'm talking about, we're at Wolf Chase. Are we going in this way or the front way? This way? Cheesecake Factory over there. I think we're going in through Macy's. Yeah. We came here for, the Sophomore not in here. What are we coming here for? She needs some sandals or something, shoes or something.
No samples, I need some.
Sandals? Well,
sandals.
Shoes, like, yeah, for Miami.
I thought you said samples.
And I needed to go to Victoria's Secret to find me a bra so I can wear clear straps, like removable straps. They probably got what we need.
Right.
That's down.
Look, this is the foundation I bought. And it's supposed to be like,
Estee Lauder.
it's supposed to be like, it don't clog your pores, and it's like, you can lay down with it on your face.
When did you buy this?
You don't even have to set it. I bought it from Ulta, and I had a shade that was way too.
Okay, I got
But I
you.
was telling you, you don't have to set it because it mattifies.
This the way we gotta get out? Because the opening was that way.
I gotta use the bathroom so bad, my stuff's swollen. Like my stomach.
That was me on the way down to Jonesboro.
Really?
Yes,
Like
my stomach, and plus
Literally in
munchies with the Parabol. Yeah, I'm a vlogger. What's up? I'm dead. I swear. Y'all doing YouTube? What it look like? I need to go to Sally's. Girl, what's this? New Square. Memphis, y'all got some good. $32.99.
Let's find a bathroom.
No, you didn't call me ghetto. I gotta go to Sally's.
I'm literally gonna pee in the bathroom of these stores.
Deck of Victoria's Secret. Everything on the bottom that we need.
And I need to go up in there because they may have that. No, they probably don't got the pro concealer.
I gotta get hair done.
You hear me?
Cinnabon, don't even look.
I can't eat nothing.
Dude gotta pee so
I
bad.
can't eat nothing, but we gonna have to make our way back to Cinnabon.
No, she just had one. This Forever 21.
Yeah, we need to go in there too.
This one we found the stuff at last time. Ooh, what's this? Gummies. That is cute.
I really want some Levi's. I wanted to go to American Eagle. What's the deal, y'all? So we back with MTV Cribs and we about to show y'all our crib.
Hey, all in the camera.
We finna show y'all all the stores we got in our crib.
Girl.
We even got food, personal chefs. You know what it is.
From a non-Memphis resident. She want to show y'all her so-called crib up in here.
We from Memphis.
Did she say this way?
Yep.
I don't even remember this.
I'm getting Great American Cookie when we come out the back. I'm a dessert person. You know what it is.
I'm dead. Nikki. You drank too much of that water.
They got a movie theater. Memphis, y'all might be ghetto, but y'all got some good stuff.
They gonna come for you in the comments.
Period. Come for me, Memphis. Nah, Memphis is better than West Memphis. I heard. So they be like, I'm from West Memphis.
Workout clothes. How much are these?
On the tag, $7.99.
This $12.99. No, they didn't write it on there.
Wow, that's so good. Look, these
I like
$7.99.
Yeah, but I already got some of these. I buy these at Kohl's.
Ooh, I like them too.
I like
These make your boobs look good too.
I know I got some. It's a medium. I need a small. Damn.
Bow.
$12.99. In here buying shit. Now I need a top. I ain't paying $12.99 for no top. No, we don't need no basket. Look. Oh, it's trying to buy all this shit. Oh, this is cute.
I know I just opened it up for you. I was looking at it for you, but it don't look good. Here go a small. Here go a large for me.
I ain't trying to pay $12 though.
That's $24 for this.
And I got a sports bra from Gymshark. And it's gonna match perfectly with this.
I'm not getting you one.
Oh, here goes some. That's still 12. Not clearance. That's over there always. It say sale. It's some in the back.
I am hot.
Yeah, it's hot in here. That's long sleeve. Ain't no long sleeve in Miami.
We don't have time to wait.
That's probably long sleeve too up over there.
Do like shorts for you, Sam?
I know I'm hot. Ooh, this cute. How much are you? 12. Why everything $12.99? I need some shoes. Over here. $14. Y'all, am I cheap or is this just a good price?
You ain't cheap because I'm about to go together.
Girl, it's hot as hell
Ooh,
in
look at
here.
these though. I can wear them.
Those cute.
Yep, and they
These
short.
cute too.
Ooh, them are.
Watch it be like a 6, 6.5.
Them
Told
bussin'. These are 7.
you. Ain't got no 8.
6.5. 6.
These little bitty bitches.
5.5. Yep.
What's this one?
5.5. We should have known there wasn't gonna be no good nothing left.
I can't fit a 7.
Probably not. Them 8.
Let's see.
7.5. Can't find my
No,
black
almost. Just one more inch.
Yep. These are 8. Here, try these.
Those are cute.
Yeah,
Yep.
a little bit more room.
Cute though.
Yeah, they are.
They got 8.5.
Nope.
Did you give me an 8 to try? Yeah. Oh my gosh. Can I get an 8?
It's no 8.
Dang.
No 8.
You been looking.
I want these. These are cute. Yes, and
Look at this white one, Nikki.
some yes. Them are cute. Bitch, you can fit
Those
that.
are cute.
Right, look, you
I
can
want them shoes. My feet too big.
fuck me in the ass.
Upside down at the moment.
Like what?
I think I might have to cop.
I like them.
I might have to cop.
And
With
they
the
not
white
high.
toes.
Yeah.
When they do it.
They ain't got no more.
Yeah, they got 7.5.
Okay, because I can fit it.
Oh, this cute.
Can I just get one 8.5? Like, please. Just one fucking 8.5. They even got a damn 10.
They got a 10?
Yes. Donna chair. Donna shoe over here.
That's cute. It's hot. I don't like burning up.
They don't have no 8.5. And I don't know why I brought my dumb tail and checked.
They ain't got no 8s.
They don't have any 8.
Well, she just said that, so. I'm about to try 7.5.
You only get 15 because you wear 8.
These are cute. How cute are these? I need a thumbnail. Dead ass. All right.
I'm just upset.
That's a 5. I ain't getting no damn 5. 10.
That's why I said they got Donna shoes. This the only section of shoes.
Mm-hmm.
On 14.
Girl, I thought this 6 said 8.
Yeah, I see it.
Girl, 8. Hello.
Where? Girl, stop playing with me. Them better not fit you.
I feel like these two flimsy though. This one. Here's an 8.5. Y'all not looking. Y'all got blind ass eyes.
She told me there wasn't none.
You can't believe no bitches. Wanna see us out here? Y'all wanna see us out here winning?
I literally had just said, I'm not gonna check. She just told me.
Yeah, that's why you need to check.
What them boots right there is? Them snake ones.
I don't know, but I gotta come about this jacket.
I thought you was gonna say you got a key. I'm like,
Oh God, it's hot.
check both of them and see if they ain't.
My good God.
Look gone.
Ooh. Oh,
Honey, it's hurt.
It hurts. Why do they hurt? I like them. It just didn't have a lot of support like these.
They hurt. And now I'm supposed to walk in them. They don't hold up none.
That's why I see it.
And you gonna give them. Give me them other ones. Yeah, them ain't it. Can you check them? Not them. Them snake ones. Yeah.
They look little, like a 6. 6. I got an eye for the shoes.
I feel like this will be cute. I need
They
that. I looked over here.
You're not a good looker, obviously. Because you're missing every fucking thing. Damn, they do fit. My bitch a 9.
No, I'm kidding. I'm getting them, bitch.
Motherfucking
'Cause at this point, I got no motherfucking choice. How these look?
$5.99 for shades. Rings. Buy 2, get 1 free. Cute. It's really cute.
They ain't even got no price on them. At this point, I'm just stuck with what I can get. Okay, what time is it? We gotta roll up out of here.
These are cute.
7-Eleven. I wish they had one with our sign on it. I'm definitely a feminist.
They got some cute ones. It should be buy 1 get 1 free instead of buy 2. Oh, I wanted a hat. A beach hat though.
Yeah, makes sense. Look!
AJB.
And it's so like,
He's cute.
oh, I need this. Cause baby girl.
I got that from Fashion Nova.
Really?
The exact same one. $30. But they are so cute.